Of course, there's other matters to cover today. The National Prosecuting Authority has rejected claims by former President Jacob Zuma that the state has been delaying the start of his corruption trial. The Pietermaritzburg High Court is sitting today to consider remaining pre-trial matters. The JG Zuma Foundation also claims the 17th of May had been proposed as the trial date. The case against Zuma and French arms company Thales is linked to the multi-billion rand arms deal in 1999. SABC News reporter Jayed-Leigh Paulse has been outside court since this morning. A very good morning to you, Jayed-Leigh. Have Zuma's lawyers arrived yet?
Well, a very good morning to you, Des, and to the viewers back at home. And I'm sure many people want to know if the supporters of former President Jacob Zuma have come out to throw their solidarity and their support behind him. I can tell you that there aren't any supporters here at the Pietermaritzburg High Court. And I presume that's because it is going to be a very short matter sitting here in court today, Desiree. I can tell you that there has been speculation as to when exactly that trial date is going to be set. Talks on the 17th of May. We saw the Jacob Zuma Foundation issuing out a statement saying that the former president will not be in court this morning and that the proceedings will happen in his absentia, but saying that the 23rd of February, which is today, they will not see the trial resuming in this particular court. They're saying that they're going to be sitting down and the possible date will possibly be the 17th of May. However, we're not sure if it might be a different date, and I suppose we'll just have to wait and see what the judiciary decides. But I can tell you that outside of court, very quiet, not a lot of people here at all, and I suppose that's because they were told to stay away and rather come once the trial resumes. And you know, this has been the case last year. The trial sat only 3 times last year, and I presume it's also because of COVID-19 and the regulations that were put into place, but also the former president's health as well. We spoke to his attorney and several of the journalists who have been covering this trial, especially Ayando Mhlongo, have been punting that his health is also taken into account and that he can file an application to not be in court, but once the trial does resume, he'll unfortunately have to come and sit and listen in on those proceedings. And I'm sure many people want to know when the trial date is going to happen, Desiree. As you know, it's been in the public domain. We've seen the former president also being under the spotlight with the Tea Party that commenced at Nkandla, where EFF leader Julius Malema, met him. That meeting, not sure what exactly happened behind closed doors. And then also MKMVA soldiers stationed outside Nkandla, Mkhonto Wesizwe soldiers stationed out there, also pledging their support for the former president, saying that he does not have to go and answer at the Zondo Commission. You would know that he has declined to give evidence in that commission of inquiry. So I suppose there's a lot of eyes on the Pietermaritzburg High Court to see when that date is going to be set, and after 15 years whether we'll see the trial commencing. I mean, it's been in the public domain for such a long time, and I'm sure many people want to see this now going to court and actually the proceedings unfolding. Desiree.
Thank you so much, Jayed-Leigh Paulse, there for you.